Here are some of the top news stories in finance today, September 5th, 2025. The British pound has had a turbulent ride this week. Sterling fell sharply against the dollar on Tuesday but recovered by Friday, ending the week back at 135, the same level as Monday. Analysts say the swings were triggered by the government's long-term borrowing plans, which pushed the cost of 30-year bonds to a 27-year peak. Against the euro, the pound finished at 115, slightly down from last week, meaning imported goods from the US and Europe remain more expensive for UK consumers. Source: Sky News. In Manchester, Britain's first Bring Your Own Booze nightclub is opening later this month. XLR will allow partygoers to bring their own alcohol from September 19th. To cover costs, ticket prices will rise from $6 to $15. Owner Chris Hindle says the move is aimed at making nights out more affordable during the cost of living crisis. He told BBC News, "If it doesn't work, at least I tried something new." The club has banned glass bottles and re-entry, but hopes the experiment will bring people back onto the dance floor. Source: BBC News. On the high street, beauty retailer Bodycare has collapsed into administration. The chain will close 32 stores immediately, putting 450 jobs at risk. Bodycare, which operates 147 outlets across the UK, blamed rising costs, weak customer spending, and a failed stock market listing for its financial struggles. Administrators from Interpath are seeking a buyer, but locations across London, Manchester, Scotland, and Wales are already affected. The collapse adds to a growing list of retailers under pressure from inflation and online competition. Source: Sky News. Turning to the job market, UK redundancies are rising at their fastest pace in 4 years. A Bank of England survey shows employment fell 0.5% in the 3 months to August, the biggest decline since 2021. Retail and hospitality sectors were hit hardest. Redundancies are now running at their highest level since October 2020. The cuts come after Chancellor Rachel Reeves raised employer national insurance contributions and the minimum wage in April. Industry groups warn that further tax increases in the autumn budget could lead to more job losses. Source: Sky News. Meanwhile, savers are rushing to withdraw billions from their pensions ahead of possible tax changes. Ahead of the autumn budget on November 26th, tax-free pension withdrawals rose more than 60% in the last year. The Financial Conduct Authority reports $18.1 billion was taken out by 211,000 people, up from $11.25 billion the year before. Many fear that by 2027, pensions could face inheritance tax. Experts say the trend is costing the Treasury $5.5 billion annually and reflects growing mistrust in government policy. Source: Sky News. Finally, new figures confirm UK rents have hit record highs. Rightmove says the average advertised rent reached $1,577 a month in August, the highest level ever recorded. The Northwest saw the sharpest rise, up 10% compared with last year, while London saw just 2%. Analysts blame a shortage of rental homes, with 1 in 3 landlords considering leaving the market. Despite soaring costs, half of landlords plan to keep rents stable, though 20% say they will increase them further. Source: Rightmove via Sky News. That's all for today's Finance Roundup. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest developments in business, markets, and the economy.